So today we're gonna do some volunteering with Cloud9 and gonna head to Ikea, get some blankets and do some passing out because it's been a hell of a rainstorm and people are probably cold and wet right now. So let's get some breakfast. Hey, Ronnie.
I've been worried about you, damn it.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. I don't know why I say that. Ain't nobody really gave me nothing for Christmas. Oh, thank you. That front page picture is really saying Mothers in Action spread Christmas joy throughout South LA. That's the president of the Mothers. That's like my sister, and that's the vice president.
Oh, right on.
And the woman they killed was a part of that. She was a part of a lot of organizations when it came to Watts, because she was a Watts millionaire. Merry Christmas, Rico. She wasn't racist. She didn't care who you were. Your child was going to have a bicycle.
Yeah.
You know, that was a big thing for me to get my first bicycle at Christmas, you know.
That's pretty fucking profound.
You know, I'm still a Protestant Christian. You know, the devil works in many ways. That was an angel of Watts. The devil had to destroy him. Well,
these aren't lone wolves. These are people that are.
If he's in Watts, he's in a gang. That's simple. And that's a criminal world thing, and I don't get too close in it because they killed both my brothers. You know, that's something I stay away from because of the mentality level of those people. He didn't say to himself, I'm not breaking into her house. She's a good lady. Yeah. Merry Christmas, Tony.
You too.
And have a blessed one.
You too.
Giving them, trying to hustle her ass off to give all the kids in Watts whose parents can't afford to do it a bicycle. He didn't say that to himself. Fuck that. That bitch probably got enough money. I can give me enough dope and everything.
Yeah.
And what's wrong, the reason he had to kill her, she wasn't gonna let him take it like that. But see, it's more parents that are drug addicts. But you have a blessed one. What you doing, taking pictures?
Yeah, I'm gonna go do Cloud9 today.
Yeah, but where they going?
I don't know yet. Probably over by the 30s, where the.
I'm all for it. Well, like I said, you gave me something for Christmas with nobody else. And I was going to the store to get me 2 NyQuil so I can sleep Christmas Eve.
What are you doing for lunch?
Nothing, because I'm going to put my dinner on when I go home for Christmas. Because I'm doing a Creole thing. See, when I was a kid, when all my family come, because my family's mixed with Indians, whites, we're Creoles. And when the full blood show up and everybody, we have a traditional New Orleans meal. Leg of lamb surrounded by navy beans with vegetables in it. And that's what I'm fixing.
What are you doing? You're getting tangled up. All right,
well,
Ronnie.
if you get an extra blanket, save one for me.
Oh, yeah, I'll get a bunch.
So right now, these racist motherfuckers have turned out my microwave and my heater.
What's today? Friday, so you'll be back on Sunday then?
Yes. All right.
I'll save you a blanket.
Okay.
All right, see you later, Ronnie.
Have a great Christmas. Your 7-day outlook includes more rain showers in the forecast. That's what we're tracking for you. And it looks like the last week of the
Alright, well that was definitely nice for Mother Nature to make it stop raining for us.
Hello.
Hey, where are you at?
We are on our way to Gardena right now. We'll be there in about 10 minutes.
Okay.
Where are you at?
I'm getting on the 110 right now, and I'll be down there in probably about 20 minutes. See you in a little bit.
Okay, bye.
And it looks like traffic is pretty good today, so that's nice. What's up, dude?
Hey, bro.
Merry Christmas, buddy.
Christmas.
Hi, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Okay, there's coffee in there too. If anybody wants coffee before we go out.
Where's the cameraman?
We didn't have any donations, and then all of a sudden somebody donated all those nice new jackets, and somebody else donated all of these stuff. Yeah, so it's really cool. Yeah, we got hot tamales in the back of the car. Huh? Yeah, we're all gonna follow me. Oh, also, look at this shit I brought. Fucking hand warmers.
Oh. There you go.
head into South Central, and we're gonna hit up a place that's visible right from the freeway. So it's very prominent because a lot of people, when they arrived in LA, their first impression is an Uber ride up the 110. And I think they've cleaned away some of the encampments that were there, but it was a pretty sprawling operation. Shit. That wasn't me. That was just someone really impatient. So my crew's right here, and sometimes it's just... it's not easy to do. So we're coming up on an area right here called Grand Avenue. That Grand Avenue used to just be a regular old street, and then the 110 was built in the 1950s, and this is what we're left with. That used to be houses living right there. So these are encampments that are pretty much along not every single stretch of freeway, but just certain areas. Who's that doggy? Whose doggy? Hello. Is that your dog? You want a blanket?
Yeah, please. Thank you. I got a girl that's staying with the Yes. Thank you.
And there's they got some stuff.
All right. Thank you.
All right, no problem. A blanket?
Yeah. Toma, ahí te dan.
How do you say blanket in Spanish?
Cobija.
Oh, it's a good bubba. Come here, dude. That's a good boy. Yeah, good boy. Sorry about that. All right, buddy, that's enough.